Let's solve another LeetCode problem. The problem that we are going to solve today is contains duplicate. In this problem, we are given an integer array nums. We have to return true if any value appears at least twice in the array. If none of the value appears at least twice, we have to return false. Let's check example 1. We have an array nums, that is the list in Python 1 2 3 1. As you can see, 1 has appeared twice. Then that means this list contains duplicate. We have to return true. And in the second example, the list contains 4 integers 1 2 3 4, but none of the integer occurs twice. That's why output is false. How we will solve this problem? The solution is very simple. We will create a set and we'll keep track of the elements that we have seen already. That is, we will iterate over the list, add the elements one by one in the set. If any of the element is already present in the set, then that means the current element is the repeating element. That's it. Let's do the implementation. First we will create a set nums set is equal to set nums. Python will take care of converting list to set. Then we will iterate over all of the elements in the let's not do this. We will iterate over all of the elements in the list one by one. For element in nums, if element in nums set, return false, else return true. Now this nums underscore set will be our empty set in the beginning, else nums underscore set dot add element. As you can see, we are iterating over the elements one by one, and on each iteration we are checking first if the current element is already present in the nums set or not. If it is present, then that means this is the current element is the repeating element. We will return false. Else because the current element is not present in the set, we will add that value in the set. We need to check the base case, that is if length of nums is equal to 1. We simply need to return true because the length of the array itself is nums. The length of the nums array is itself 1. Let's see. Wrong. Expected true. Oh, again we have to return true in case any element appears twice. Let's submit the solution. Okay, our solution has been accepted. I will again go through the code for you. First, we are checking what is the length of the list nums. If it is equal to 1, we are 100% sure that there can be only one element. That is why we need to return false. Then we are creating a set, and we have set the variable name to nums set. Then we are iterating over all of the elements in the list one by one, and on each iteration we are checking if the current element is already present in the set or not. If the current element is already present, we need to simply return true because that is the repeating element. Else, because the current element was not present in the set, then that means we have to add the current value to the set so that the future elements can be checked on the added value.